Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you another little special reveal for my birthday. I am really excited with this one. This one is gorgeous. I have been wanting this one, or I have been eyeing this bag for such a long time, and honestly, I wouldn't really find it. I feel like it was very hard to locate. I could never find it whenever I was like kind of searching for one. Lately, I feel like I've never been actually looking for something. I just run into it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I used to want that. I used to pin that on my Pinterest board like a year or two ago, and I run into it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want it. I want it. So that's one of the things that happened with this one. I was kind of just browsing, really looking for a different one. Not really wanting to buy one, but I found it and it was the perfect color, and I said, this can be like one of the bags that I buy myself for my birthday. So I know it sounds nuts. I know, but I found it and I was just absolutely like, it was in excellent condition, and I was like, let me see this bag. I have got to have it. So it came in this little box right here. I won't show you the other side because my shipping address is on it. Of course, I couldn't wait. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This isn't a true unboxing. I got it, I think I got in the mail like maybe a week ago. And it is from Yves Closet. This is the first time I had ever purchased from them. My mom has purchased from them before, and she's always happy with whatever she purchases from them. So I was very comfortable knowing that I was purchasing from a really good company. So if you ever purchased from them before, they send you this little envelope as soon as you open it. It just has your receipt and any like return instructions just in case you want to return it. And it came packaged exactly like this. So they give you guys like a plastic bag like this. And then I guess it didn't come with the original dust bag, which is fine because it came with this one by Yves Closet, and it's really nice because it fits in there perfect. So it's really snug, and then you can just go like this to cinch it in, but this is a perfect dust bag. Oh my gosh, when I pulled this out and I saw it, I had to kind of take a couple steps back for a second because it's stunning. Look at this absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, it even matches the flowers in the back. I didn't plan this, I promise. Look at how stunning that is. This is the YSL chain on the wallet on a chain on the bag, wallet on a chain. And oh my gosh, it's the large size. It's the one that doesn't have the little leather piece on the chain or anything like that. It's all chain. This is stunning. I have wanted one of these because my mom has one in black, and she ordered hers from Nordstrom. And ever since she got it, she has used it. We go to so many concerts a year, so many. And she has used it for every single concert. And I'm like, Mom, you have to love that bag because you use it every single time we go to concerts. And I always switch mine out, and she always uses hers. And she's like, you have no idea. This is perfect for concerts. So, or even not just concerts, but like special events, stuff like that. It's so classy and elegant. But of course, I had to be a little different and get my favorite color. And it is just this beautiful metallic pink, like so beautiful. I do not think it's purple at all. It is definitely a true pink, and I am just in love with it. It's so stunning. I love it so much. You can see just the natural lighting, what it looks like. It does come with this tag right here from Yves Closet, proving that it is authentic. And then it's just a thank you card. And then it has this tag right here that says, keep this tag on. Item cannot be returned without the tag. So, this bag. I just cannot get over this bag, and I cannot believe it is in such great condition. Like, it's in beautiful condition. It does have a little fold right here, but I think either way it's going to get that fold. You know what I mean? Like, you can kind of, I just now noticed that fold, but it doesn't really bother me. I feel like it's gonna fold anyways. And so it looks just like that when you open it. And let me take the beautiful chain out. I love YSL for their chains. Their chains are so heavy, so nice quality, so shiny. I love the cuts of the metal, just everything. It just adds to the bag. It's just stunning. So let me show you the interior. I'm obsessed with the interior. It looks like you can take this off, so you could just use it like as a clutch. I don't know if I'll ever use it that way, never say never, but I love chains. I love my chains, so I don't know if I'll ever take that off. And then this is what the interior looks like, okay? So you have your super huge zipper right here in the middle. Let's start there. And it goes in very deep. So I don't know if you can see that since it's black, but it goes in very, very deep. You can fit so much in that pocket. In there, I probably will throw in, not change, but I'll throw in like some cash probably in there. And then over here, you have a really big pocket right there where you can put cash as well if you want to. And then on this side, it has, let me see how many card like slots it has, because it has a ton. You can carry every single card you need, but honestly, when you use a bag like this, you're not gonna wanna fill it all up. But let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So there's 10 over here. There's 10, there's 5 there, 5 there, and then you have your big pocket, okay? And then you have plenty of room right here for a compact and a lipstick or a lip gloss. You can totally fit that in there very nicely. There's plenty of room. And then on the other side, on this side, we have the same thing. I believe there's 10 card slots, and then you get your pocket as well right there. And oh my gosh, it says right here, made in Italy. And there's just plenty of room in here. Plenty of room for a night out, with the girls, for a special occasion, for a birthday, for a concert, for anything. Like, it is just so stunning. Oh my gosh, I am so happy that I found this bag. I'm so glad it's in great, absolutely excellent condition. So this is what it looks like on the side. And this is the other side. But just the glazing, everything on this bag is just in such beautiful shape. I was so glad and so lucky that I found this one. I was debating between this one and the Soakate, and I will insert the picture here because it is still on the website, and it is the I think it's the same exact color. It just comes with the tassel. And I have a Soakate and I absolutely love it. So I was like, oh my gosh. And it was a lot cheaper. So, well, not a lot, but it had a good little chunk of it off of there. So I thought about it and I'm like, should I just get that one? I've always wanted this one, but should I just go with that one? I mean, it's the same color and it's cheaper. I was just thinking about it too much, and my mom's like, you have always wanted one of these. She's like, so why don't you just get that one? So I went ahead and went with this one, and I'm happy I did. I think if I would have got the other one, I would have still wanted one day this one. So now I'm just gonna get this one and leave the Soakate, since I already have a Soakate in black. But I am so glad that I found this. And like I said, it's the large. This is the large version. They have a smaller version that, like, on the top of the chain, it has a little leather piece. And whenever it has a leather piece, that's the smaller version. I would always run into that. And I'd be like, Mom, I just found this for like this price. And she's like, you know why? Because that's a smaller one. And then I'm like, okay, so yes, but I am just... It is so beautiful. It photographs beautifully. It's not just photogenic. I mean, it's beautiful. It's breathtaking in person. I am just so in love with it. I'm so glad I got it. And honestly, I think out of like the bags that I got for my birthday this month, this one is my absolute favorite, because I'm so glad I finally found it. I'm glad it's in brand new, beautiful condition. And the color is just so immaculate. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to add some mod shots. I have some sweats on right now. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys love it. If you guys have this bag, please let me know in whatever color you have, whatever size, just let me know. If you're looking at getting this bag, my mom, she absolutely loves it. I of course haven't used mine yet, but I know I'm gonna love it. Keys fit in there, cards, cash, you know, lipstick, a little compact, you know, you will be set for the night. So this is definitely a like total gem. I'm so glad. It's like a unicorn bag to me, and I'm so glad I found it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I am trying my hardest to get all these videos up all for the month of July for my birthday. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you to all of you that are already subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. I will definitely be seeing you very soon in another video. Mwah. Bye, guys.